how to buy BNB on your Coinbase wallet. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to buy BNB on your Coinbase wallet. So without further ado, let us begin. So to start off, let's just open up our Coinbase wallet app, and then after that, once you're here, what you want to do is you just click on buy right here, and then once you're here, the first thing that you want to do is just choose the network. So just click on network right here, and then scroll down until you see Binance Smart Chain. So just click on that, and then after that, your network will now be converted to BNB. And then after that, what you want to do is you just input the amount of BNB that you want to buy. So as an example, I want to buy $100 worth of BNB. And then after that, what you want to do now is just choose your payment method. So in here, they have different kinds of payment methods that you can use. So they have Apple Pay, debit card, credit card, Cash App, US wire bank transfer, and a lot more. So feel free to choose what kind of payment method that you want to use. And then once you're done, just click on continue. And then after that, it will now ask you for your payment details. So just fill up your payment details, and then your transaction will now be processed. And then once you're done, your BNB will now be redirected in your Coinbase wallet account. And then you're done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to buy BNB on your Coinbase wallet account. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.